know if you guys can tell or not, but it is really windy. And there's like major dirt flying around. There goes kind of along there, you can see dirt flying. Tumbling tumbleweeds, there goes a baby one. The wind is really, really bad. The van is just a rockin'. It's like, wow, man. It's not too bad temperature-wise out. I was expecting it to be really, really cold, but it's not. But tomorrow's supposed to be colder, especially if it keeps blowing in wind like this. Holy moly. So you can kind of tell over there how hazy it is. Alright, I'm gonna go and drive. This is the backside of work, and right back there, that's somebody in a tent. In this cold wind, they've got a light on in there. They were there the other night when we were here buying groceries. But man, I feel bad for them. Look at how hazy it is out. It's all dirt. Don't do it. And there's like tumbleweeds flying all over the place. Like just ridiculous. It's like, oh my gosh. Just so bad. Here we are, home sweet home. Look at the wind blowing. Man, it's ridiculous. Got like, you can see. You can see, oh, maybe not. You can see the dirt flying up around over here. Oh well. You can't see me. Well, there we go. Well, I'm home sweet home. I don't want to go outside. It's too windy. But I gotta go. I gotta go plug in. Chris has thrown me a pot pie in the oven. So I'm gonna go plug in quick before it gets any colder. You get dirt in your eyes when it's windy. So, alright. I'll talk to y'all later. Just got home from work. Battery thing's still on 4. Opening up my fridge. Everything's still cold. The freezer's still cold. And I got ice water from my freezer. That's pretty freaking cool. That's awesome that I can run my fridge on solar now. Cool. And now it's raining. Pouring, actually. Still pretty windy. The van is just a rocking away. But, yeah. Here's my bammer. Come on up, baby. Yeah, come on up. He's become such a snuggy little boy. Yeah, he likes to snuggy with his mommy. Yeah, he likes to snuggy with his mommy in the bed. He'll come up in the middle of the night. I won't even feel him come up. I'll wake up or try to turn and I'll have this lump beside me. Yeah, which I absolutely love. Yeah, I absolutely love. You got bedhead kid or something. Yeah. Jim. Hi. Hi, baby. Yeah. Yeah, I'll come nuggy with the mama. Yeah. So we're just sitting here. I'm just watching some videos. Getting sleepy. Almost time to go to sleep. And all of a sudden it started pouring, so I thought I would just add to today's video. And yeah, a little note too. Went over to Chris's for some dinner and came back home, and I was down a bar on my solar, and I was at 12:02. And so I turned down the fridge because it was cranked all the way up. It's been cranked all the way up since I got it. So I turned down the fridge and it immediately popped back up to 4 bars. So I think we're okay. I just can't have it. And I thought, well, I can't sacrifice the fridge, but I don't want my solar to go down. So keeping an eye on it. Hopefully that'll do it and that'll be okay. I also had a bunch of lights on, so I'm trying to conserve lights too. So hopefully we can keep the fridge going on solar, because that would be awesome, huh, buddy? Yeah. Yeah, so, but anyway, I'm getting pretty sleepy here. So me and Sam are going to say goodnight. We love you all. Dance like no one's watching. And we'll see you in the next video. All right. Everybody have a good night.